everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so excited because we're gonna do a makeup inspired tutorial. So kung naaalala nyo, I think 3 weeks ago I posted a blurry picture on my Instagram account. A couple of you guys commented and guessed. So this is a picture that inspired this look. So for me, the look is quite simple and yet it's so stunning on her. I think she looks so pretty, so I decided to copy her look. And this is how it turned out. So without further ado, if you wanted to know how I did this look, then please keep on watching. I'm so excited because I just received this 19-piece brush from G-Shop. I bought this from May's Fashion Stuff. Most of the brushes na nandito are for the eyes. So let's go ahead and open it up. So wala siyang lalagyan, and what you'll have is this card in here, and it will give you a little bit of a background about the company, and then a couple of FAQs. And of course, here it is. Ta-da! One more thing that I like about this brush is meron siyang label. Alam niyo na, sa panahon ngayon, importante ang label. If you're gonna ask me, are they all really needed kapag ka nag-eye makeup ka, I would say no. For me, just for the basic makeup, I could use 3 to 5 brushes and I'm good with that. Otherwise, the rest are pretty much reserved or andyan lang sila kapag ka, medyo madumi na yung brush mo and you don't want to clean them, wala kang panahon or tinatamad ka lang, then you can use the spare brushes. So, ito ang aking gagamitin for today. Without further ado, let's go ahead and start. So, as you can see, I've already done my brows and nag-prime na din ako ng aking lids so that it won't eat so much time. The first shade that I'm going to use is this cool tone brown. This is called Shooting Star. And ang gagamitin kong brush for this transition shade is this tapered brush, and it's called Tapered Blending 224. Yan. So, I'm gonna use another brush kasi feeling ko hindi masyadong na-dispose yung kulay ng medyo mas makalat or mas blended na onti sa labas ng aking crease. So, I'm gonna use another brush and I'm gonna use this Dome Blend brush number 201. Let's see if mas okay to. Yep. I like this a little bit more. I think this one is perfect kapag gusto mong mas ma-define yung iyong crease, but for this one, I just want it to be really blown out sa crease ko. So, yeah. So, medyo pag gagawin natin mas deep pa yung color, and ang gagamitin ko is the shade Potion. So, medyo warm brown shade siya. Ang gagamitin ko is itong small tapered blending brush. So, number 222. I'm gonna go to the shade Spark. Itong medyo pinkish red na shade. And super onti lang. I'm gonna use the same brush. Sobrang onti lang nang ilalagay natin. Blend ko lang yan sa labas. I'm gonna use the shade Elfish para mas deep pa yung kulay. But I'm gonna have it focus. Pero yung focus niya lang is aking outer V. And then we're gonna blend it pa inner. I'm using this pencil brush number 219 from G-Shop. Sabay tayo sa brush na to, and then I'm just gonna blend this out. For my lid, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna linisin ko yung part na to. Gusto ko blank lang siya, and then we're gonna put shimmers on it kasi parang ganun yung look ni Zendaya dun sa picture. I'm still torn kung anong gagamitin ko sa lids ko, kung itong shade na Moony or itong shade na Sweet Dreams. So, simulan ko muna siya sa shade na Moony, and then we're gonna go with Sweet Dreams kapag hindi ko pa na-achieve yung color na gusto ko. Tapos, balik lang ako dito sa pencil brush na to. Hindi na ako mag-add ng product. I'm just gonna blend this out. And same thing, I'm gonna use this small tapered brush as well. I'm gonna use what's left in there to blend the color. I'm gonna add this shade, Twinkle. Ito. Kung saan nagmi-meet yung shade na Moony at saka yung shade na Elfish. I'm gonna put this in between. I'm also gonna add the shade Stardust. Yung next na kulay is yung medyo coppery shade. And itatap ko lang siya dun sa place kung saan ko nilagay yung Twinkle. And then, I'm gonna proceed with adding Sweet Dreams sa aking inner corners or inner lid. I'm just gonna go back with this small tapered blending brush and blend lang natin siya ulit. Add ko na din yung shade na Sweet Dream sa aking inner corners, and I'm gonna use a small shader number 231. Yan. Para sa ating inner corners. So, inner corner highlight. Meron akong bagong eyeliner, and this is from Wet n Wild, and this is their Fine Finds felt tip eyeliner in the shade black. Gamit tayo ng isa pang brush, and this is the Blend Shadow 234. Ayan. Gusto ko lang i-highlight ang aking brows, and I'm gonna use shade Moony. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I think she has a black eyeliner or a dark brown eyeliner sa kanyang waterline. Ako personally, I don't feel or tingin ko hindi bagay sa akin yung may dark eyeliner sa eyes, but since that's her makeup, we're gonna copy it. So, ayan, I'm gonna use this Makeup Forever eyeliner. Gagawin ko is smudge ko yung eyeliner, and I'm gonna use the shade Elfish. And I'm gonna use this short shader number 214. So now that we're done with the eye makeup, we're gonna proceed with our face. And yung look ni Zendaya doon is her skin looks very bronzy and glowy. I'm gonna use a darker foundation, and that is the Matte and Poreless foundation from Maybelline, and this is in the shade 332.